Okay, I'm going to show you the difference between a 6-wire stepper motor, like this one here, and a 4-wire. This is a NEMA 17. This is a NEMA 23. This is a 6-wire, 4-wire. The 6-wire stepper motor is similar to the 4-wire because you have one coil here, second coil here. 4-wire, same thing. You've got one coil, 2 coil. The difference between the 4-wire and the 6-wire stepper motor is the 6-wire has a center tap. On this particular stepper motor, the orange and the blue is coil B, and the yellow and red is coil A, but the white and the black are the center taps. The center taps, if you look at the schematic, are not needed. 6-wire stepper motors are good for low speed, high torque applications, but either way, the center tap wires are not needed, and that's the whole purpose. And you notice you got a 6-wire stepper motor, but a good majority of your stepper drivers are only 4-wire, like this one in particular. It even has it up there. You got the x-axis, XA plus, XA minus, XB plus, XB minus. You've got the power to power the board and the stepper drivers. You got the y-axis, z-axis, and you've got the spindle power with the relay there, but you don't see any hookup for the 6 wires. You only have 4. So in the 6-wire stepper motor, all you have to do is just eliminate the center tap wires. So these 2 wires right here, you don't even hook up.
First one lasted long enough for me to have a daughter, and then for my 30th birthday, I got a new husband, and a year later, you don't waste any time, do you? I wish I had.
But 4-wire and 6-wire stepper motors are very similar. 4 wires obviously straightforward. You got 1 coil, you got 2 coil. Same thing, except for the center tap wires are not connected. So this isn't a very common stepper motor. It's a 130 ounce holding torque motor, so it'll definitely do whatever I need it to. But with it being uncommon, it was very difficult to find the wires output on this one. So the red wire here is A plus, yellow is A negative, blue is B positive, orange is B negative, black is B common, white is, no, black is A common, A is B common. So these 2, the common center tap wires are not even needed on the 6-wire stepper motor.
So can I get you anything else? Coffee, tea, pie? The cherries are fresh. Cherry pie?
No, I'm trying to get back.
Thanks for watching. I forgot to mention one more thing. with the stepper motors or any stepper motors. This is the 6-wire stepper motor with 2 center tap wires, which aren't needed. I already explained that. You notice when you spin the stepper motor, it spins freely. This actually has a G2 gear on it, which is coming off because I have some threaded rods right there that need to go in there with some couplings. So you notice the stepper motor spins freely. If you have 2 wires that are touching together, if 2 of your wires are touching, it is very difficult to spin your stepper motor, and make sure they're not touching together because you can short something out. Stepper motors are great generators, and you can actually use stepper motors as wind turbines. All you'd have to do is attach the shaft to a propeller, and you can actually make electricity. But if you find that your stepper motor is hard to turn with nothing connected to it, make sure your wires aren't even connecting together. Make sure they're apart, because you might end up damaging your wiring or damaging the stepper motor. And that's also another thing to realize too. If your stepper motors are connected to stepper driver, every time you turn your stepper motors, it's backfeeding power into your driver. So whenever possible, make sure it's disconnected, or you manually jog the motor where it needs to go.